Good morning. It takes minutes for change in sentiment. Suddenly, markets world over are hastening to lower levels after the Federal Reserve minutes showed it could slow its bond buying program. A number of participants stated that an ongoing evaluation of efficacy, costs, and risk of asset purchase might well lead the policy setting committee to taper or end its purchase before it judged that a substantial improvement in the outlook for the labor market had occurred, the minutes said. The opening is said to be gap down as our indices align with the global cues. The Dow fell 0.8% while S&P 500 and Nasdaq lost over 1% each. Asian shares are down. South Korean shares are down 0.5% and so is Nikkei. Crude oil saw one of its biggest daily fall in recent months, while the gold lost 3%. Word on the street is that a hedge fund was forced to liquidate substantial commodity positions. All this coincided with the release of Fed minutes, and what you have is a global sell-off. The budget session kicks off today with the President's address. The debate begins tomorrow. Prime Minister Manmohan Singh has appealed to the opposition to allow Parliament to function, saying, "It is our sincere hope that we will have a productive, constructive debate leading to agreed solution to the many national problems that our country faces." Chinese Premier Wen Jiabo has called the local authorities to decisively curb real estate speculation and take steps to rein in the property market, says a report. The FIIs were net buyers of Rs 4.33 billion in the cash segment on Wednesday, while the domestic institutional investors were net sellers of Rs 5.91 billion as per the provisional figures released by the NSE. The foreign funds were net sellers of Rs 3.16 billion in the cash segment on Tuesday, according to the SEBI figures. Moving on to our recommendation, the technical calls for the day. We recommend selling PFC February future below Rs 216 for a target price of Rs 208 with stop loss placed at Rs 220. We recommend selling Infosys March futures above Rs 2,865 for a target price of Rs 2,795 with stop loss placed at Rs 2,900. Their derivative strategies for the day are: long Bata India February future below Rs 765 for the target price of Rs 795 with stop loss placed at Rs 750. Thank you. Wish you have a great day ahead.